Hello, YouTube. Sir Dragon X here. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of your CURP number if you have Mexican residency and how to print it out if and when you need it in the video coming up next. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of the CURP number in Mexico. If you've never heard of it, buckle up because it's a crucial piece of the Mexican puzzle. Mexico, with its vibrant culture and rich history, has a unique system to identify its citizens and residents. This is where the CURP number comes into play. Your CURP, or Clave Única de Registro de Población, translates to the Unique Population Registry Code in English. This alphanumeric code isn't just a random set of characters. It's your key to many official procedures here in Mexico. Whether you're opening a bank account, joining a school, or seeking healthcare services, the CURP is indispensable. Every person in Mexico, whether born in Mexico or a legal resident, is assigned this unique code. If you're a temporary or permanent resident, you'll find your CURP number right on your residency card. It's crafted using details from your name, date of birth, and your personal information. It is important to note that the CURP is evolving. The Mexican Congress recently approved a revolutionary law that will transform the CURP into an official ID. How? By adding a photograph and biometric data like fingerprints and facial scans. This enhancement not only boosts the security, but also ensures that every citizen has a foolproof ID. While the exact rollout details are still under wraps or not ironed out, the upgraded CURP is set to become the primary ID in Mexico. Now you might wonder, if my CURP is on my residence card, why should I bother? Well, many services, from registering with IMSS to getting a driver's license, will require a physical copy of your CURP. So, you wondering how to get your hands on an official CURP copy? No need to worry, because I'm about to guide you on how to retrieve your CURP online to print it out or keep a digital copy ready for whenever you need it. Especially with the new law in place, having a CURP accessible will be more crucial than ever. So, let's get to it, shall we? So what we're going to do first is grab our residency card. And on our residency card, there should be a section that says CURP. And you should have a number, well, it's actually a combination of numbers and letters that's in that field. What you're going to do after you get that series of numbers and letters off of your residency card, you're going to come to this website, www.gov.mx/CURP. And then when you get to that website, you will be presented with the option to look up your CURP. I've already took the liberty of going to that webpage. I will be leaving a link in the video description below. Now, I always search by my CURP number. You can also do it by your personal information, but it's a lot easier to do it. Just grab your residency card. I already have my CURP copied to my clipboard, so I'm going to paste it in there for the sake of the quickness. Then you have to click on I'm not a robot. You might have to verify cars, those types of things. It's just your typical internet security. And here I got to do traffic lights. And I verify that I'm not a robot. Then you do buscar, and you look it up. And as you can see, it found my CURP, which is blurred out. I can just click right here, descargar PDF, and you will download a copy of your CURP. You can actually do this on your telephone too. It'll download, if you have an iPhone, to your iCloud. If you have an Android phone, wherever you designated it to download. And if you have it on or you can take this PDF and copy it to your phone so that you can have it at all times. And that's all there is to it. You have a copy of your CURP, and you can keep it with you on your phone, or you can print it out whenever you need it. This is a way of having your CURP. And that's all there is to it. Now you have a copy of your CURP and you're ready to go. If you found this information useful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insights in life in Mexico. It also helps me get the word out. Until next time, stay safe and stay informed.